Everybody, this is Larry again from MarineMax here in Jacksonville. Today I'm going to take you through this beautiful 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38GLS Outboard. This is an incredible day boat with great overnighting capabilities, great for trips for the Bahamas, and perfect for entertaining. Let's start right here on the swim patio that I'm on that goes up and down electronically, really opens up the boat, gives you lots of room, a little extra space. Very cool feature. And let's talk about the power plant. This boat is powered by Mercury's triple 400 horsepower V10 engines with joystick piloting, making it extremely maneuverable around the dock. Anyone can handle this boat that can work a video game controller. It's really that simple. What we've got up right now is the power sunshade that retracts underneath the hardtop. So for those really sunny days like today, it gives you a little bit more shade. It also makes it a little cooler back here as well. But we still have a great place to lay out. And I'm going to show you this incredible cockpit here as we get into the boat so you can see how much space this has for your friends and family when you're out on the water. Let's take a look inside. And not only can you see all the spacious seating for everyone, but you've got a great summer kitchen and entertainment center over here. We've got a grill that has a nice countertop above it that you can use for extra space, a freshwater sink, a refrigerator, and one of the coolest features in storage is not only just beautiful high glass door, but also storage for bottles, wine bottles, liquor bottles, sports drinks bottles, whatever you don't want tipping over. Great access right here at the entertainment center. Now, what wouldn't be a great idea on a boat? How about an ice maker? Right here at the helm, we've got an ice maker here for your cocktails on board. Neat feature. How about the helm? We've got a beautiful helm with twin 12-inch Simrad screens. We've got full navigation, sonar, radar. This boat has a Seakeeper stabilizer system. Keeps the boat from rocking back and forth whether you're at rest or underway. And the beautiful ergonomic helm that includes the joystick, and then for the captain's comfort, a couple of air conditioning vents up here at the helm as well, right behind this beautiful windshield. Now, at the other end of the entertainment center is a great place to hang out. We've got a couple of bar stools here. Also, you'll notice there's a TV mount. So we can take the TV from the cabin, mount it out here in the cockpit. Everybody can sit around and watch a football game, anything you like on TV. Pretty neat feature. Down below, and we'll have pictures of this online, but we've got a great convertible dinette that'll sleep 2 adults comfortably. And then back behind here, we've got the mid-berth cabin, which is full beam width. Also a great place for another couple to sleep. And a full-size head with shower down below. And this is all air conditioned. We've got another refrigerator down here and a microwave as well. So if you're looking for a great boat for a weekend getaway, this is it. And let's move forward to the bow. Up here we're going to find some more spacious seating, really comfortable. There's cup holders everywhere. We've got armrests with cup holders, a table that goes up here, and 2 tables for the cockpit as well. So it makes it a great day boat. You can entertain a bunch of your friends. Cruisers Yachts are made here in the United States, an American company. It's a beautiful boat. If you'd like to come take a sea trial, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you. Have a great day.